They say life after 60 slows you down, but what if I told you that in just 25 minutes a day you could feel younger, stronger, and more alive than you have in years? Imagine waking up with less stiffness, walking with more confidence, and having the energy to enjoy every moment with your family. You don't need a gym, you don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need to be an athlete. You only need the right routine that is safe, gentle, and proven to work for people just like you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share a step-by-step plan that can help you improve your strength, balance, and mood. And the final step might surprise you, because it's the one thing most seniors skip, yet it can make the biggest difference in how you feel every single day. I know how it feels to wake up with stiff joints, to avoid stairs because your knees hurt, or to sit out family activities because you feel tired. I've been there, and I remember the day I decided I didn't want to feel weak or dependent anymore. That's when I discovered this simple 25-minute routine. It's not about pushing yourself to the limit or doing complicated moves. It's about gentle exercises that build strength, improve balance, and boost your mood, all while being safe for women over 60. You can do them right at home without heavy weights or fancy machines. And here's the best part: every movement is designed to protect your joints and make daily tasks easier. By the end of this routine, you'll feel lighter, stronger, and ready to enjoy life again. Let's start your journey toward a healthier, happier you today. Before we begin the main moves, we need to wake up our muscles and prepare the body. A proper warm-up is like telling your joints, "Get ready, something good is coming." Start by standing tall or sitting straight in a sturdy chair. Slowly march in place, lifting your knees just enough to feel movement in your hips. Keep your shoulders relaxed and roll them gently backward and forward. Next, turn your head side to side as if you are saying no to stiffness, then gently tilt it toward each shoulder. Feel the tension melt away. Keep breathing deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air. This gentle start improves blood flow, loosens tight muscles, and protects you from injury. It may feel simple, but these small moves are your first step toward a stronger, more active life. Now that your body is warm, let's move into the first strength-building exercise. Now that our muscles are awake, let's move into a safe, gentle cardio exercise that works your legs without putting stress on your joints. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor. Place your hands slightly on the sides of the chair for support. Begin lifting your right knee as if you're marching, then lower it slowly and lift your left knee. Keep alternating legs in a steady rhythm. Feel the movement start in your hips and travel down through your thighs. Keep your core gently engaged, shoulders relaxed, and chin up. As your legs move, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, matching your breathing with your pace. This move helps improve circulation, warms the muscles even more, and builds endurance. If you feel comfortable, increase your marching height just a little for a stronger challenge. In only a few minutes, you'll notice your heart beating a little faster, preparing your body for the strength work ahead. Your legs are warm, your blood is flowing, and now it's time to give your upper body some gentle but powerful attention. Stand facing a wall, about 2 feet away, with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place your palms flat on the wall at shoulder height, fingers pointing upward. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall, then press back to your starting position. Feel your arms, shoulders, and chest working together with every push. Keep your core slightly tight to protect your lower back. Breathe in as you bend, breathe out as you press away. If this feels easy, step back just a little for a deeper challenge. Wall push-ups help build strength for everyday tasks like lifting groceries or opening jars. In less than 3 minutes, you'll feel a gentle burn, a sign that your muscles are waking up and getting stronger with every move. Your upper body is feeling stronger, and now it's time to work on balance and hip strength, 2 things that keep you steady and confident in daily life. Stand tall behind a sturdy chair, holding the backrest lightly with both hands. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your shoulders relaxed. Slowly lift your right leg out to the side, just a few inches, keeping your toes pointing forward. Lower it with control and switch to the left leg. Move slowly so your muscles do the work, not momentum. As you raise each leg, you'll feel your hips, thighs, and core engaging. Breathe in as you lift, breathe out as you lower. If you feel steady, try letting go of the chair for a second to challenge your balance. These gentle lifts not only strengthen your hips but also help prevent falls. With every repetition, you're training your body to stay strong, steady, and ready for anything life brings. Now let's give special attention to your knees, because strong thighs help protect them and make walking, climbing stairs, and standing up much easier. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor.
Place your hands gently on the sides of the chair for balance.
Slowly straighten your right leg until it's parallel to the floor, squeezing your thigh muscle at the top. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower it back down with control. Switch to the left leg and repeat, keeping your movements smooth and steady. Breathe out as you lift. Breathe in as you lower. If you want a little more challenge, add a light ankle weight or loop a resistance band around your ankles. This exercise keeps your knees flexible, strengthens the muscles that support them, and makes everyday movements feel easier. With each lift, you're building the strength that keeps you moving with confidence. Your legs are feeling stronger, so now let's give your shoulders and arms some attention. Pick up a pair of light weights, or if you don't have any, use 2 water bottles. Stand or sit tall with your arms stretched out to the sides at shoulder height.
Slowly make small forward circles, feeling the muscles in your shoulders wake up.
Keep your core engaged and your neck relaxed. After 15 seconds, reverse the circles, moving them backward. Control the motion, don't rush, and breathe steadily throughout. You'll notice a gentle warmth spreading through your shoulders and upper arms. These circles improve mobility, strengthen the muscles you use for lifting, reaching, and carrying, and help maintain posture. It's a simple move, but when done consistently, it keeps your upper body strong, capable, and ready for everything from grocery bags to grandkids. Now that your upper body feels alive, let's focus on balance and coordination.
Stand tall with your shoulders relaxed and your arms down by your sides.
Imagine there's a straight line on the floor in front of you. Place the heel of your right foot directly in front of the toes of your left foot. Then step forward so the heel of your left foot touches the toes of your right foot. Keep moving slowly, one foot in front of the other, as if you're walking on a tightrope. Look straight ahead, not at your feet, to train your balance. Keep your core gently engaged and breathe evenly. If you feel unsteady, use a wall or sturdy surface for light support. This simple yet powerful exercise strengthens the small muscles in your feet and ankles, improves coordination, and helps prevent falls. With each step, you're teaching your body to stay stable and confident in every move you make. Your balance is improving, and now it's time to give your core some gentle but effective attention. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands resting lightly on your thighs. Take a deep breath in, then slowly twist your upper body to the right, keeping your hips and legs still.
Hold for 2 seconds, then return to the center.
Repeat on the left side, moving with control. Imagine wringing out stiffness from your spine with every turn. Keep your shoulders relaxed, and let your eyes follow the movement for a fuller stretch. This twist strengthens your core muscles, supports your lower back, and improves flexibility for daily activities like reaching or turning. Done regularly, it helps you move with ease and reduces tension in your middle, making every step, bend, and lift feel smoother and more natural. You've done the hard work, and now it's time to let your body relax, recover, and lock in all the benefits. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself because it helps your muscles release tension and keeps you from feeling stiff later. Start by standing or sitting tall, taking a slow deep breath in through your nose and letting it out through your mouth. Now gently tilt your head toward your right shoulder, feeling a stretch along the side of your neck.
Hold for 10 seconds, then switch to the other side.
Next, step 1 foot forward and bend the front knee slightly while keeping the back leg straight, pressing the heel into the floor for a calf stretch.
Switch legs and repeat.
For your upper body, clasp your hands in front of you and gently push them forward, feeling the stretch between your shoulder blades. Finally, place your hands on your lower back, gently pressing your hips forward to open your chest. Keep breathing slowly and deeply throughout each stretch. These few minutes signal your body to relax, improve flexibility, and help you feel light and refreshed. You've not just moved your muscles, you've invested in your health, strength, and independence. You've just completed a routine that can change the way you move, feel, and live. Every step you took today was an investment in your strength, balance, and independence. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Some days will feel easy, others will challenge you, but every day you show up, you're building a stronger version of yourself. Picture the moments ahead, walking without fear, playing with loved ones, feeling proud of your body. This isn't the end of a workout, It's the beginning of a new chapter in your life, and you hold the pen to write it.